Hi folks, George Kramer, Village Blacksmith. Apologize, couldn't get the Facebook Live video to work. So we're going to do this on YouTube and then transfer it over. This is in real time. These are the tickets. Miss Mary right here is going to pick the tickets. And we're going to go ahead and just draw the winner right now. And the winner is...
That's a drum roll.
Your Pie. Your Pie had tickets for their staff, and they instead of each of them putting their name down, they all decided to put Your Pie as a team effort. So congratulations, Your Pie, you have won this contest. You'll be getting a package that includes a hand-forged knife, a few t-shirts, a hat, a beanie, a Gloucester crab, a hand-forged bottle opener, a meat flipper skewer set, and I think there's a couple other things I'll forget, a beer koozie and some other stuff, a free one-day blacksmithing class, and a blacksmith date night for 2. Thank you guys so much for your support. It's been an amazing year, and keep in touch. Some big things coming.